Yesterday was the day we were about to get the second dose of our vaccine, and in Shantipur the vaccines are over and Covaxins are not coming anymore. So we had only two options. Either we could wait until the vaccine comes in the hospitals, or we could get the vaccine from Kuda. It was almost 166 kilometer from our home,
which is in Shantipur.
yeah, and there is no sense, right, in going there for taking the vaccine. It is far away, and we found it out yesterday almost about 1:30 a.m.
Yeah, and almost 2 a.m.
Yes, and guess what? We are going to Bakura to get our second dose of vaccine, because
and we are going by bike.
we are going by bike, waiting in the jetty for a boat to come. We will cross the Ganga from here, and we know we are crazy. We are actually about to cross the Ganga, and we are waiting for this thing. This will come here and we will get into it, and then we will go to that side. That's the plan. And we have to take our bike with us. That's why we need such big boat. You want to say something?
I am the other one in Ui.
Yeah, she's the other one in Ui. And if you don't know us, then you won't see the vlog. So we are not going to introduce ourselves. Get lost. It doesn't even seem like we are moving. Can you open that thing for a moment for getting a good picture? Good thing, but we have to deal with that. Just like Corona. Basically, this sign denotes that elephants cross road here. Again, this thing. But only thing we can see here is this Choto Hathi. I'm feeling really sleepy, man. Riding the bike for almost 5 hours, still not reached our destination, and it's almost like 35 kilometers left to reach, and last night we haven't slept. After traveling for almost 7 hours, we reached the vaccination center, and very soon, without any big line, we got the vaccine, and now we will get to some restaurant to eat something, and then we will get back to our home. Peace out.
शामे मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
So basically, this is Langcha Land.
Langcha Hard. every stall here is named after the langcha, and the langcha we have tasted here is the worst langcha I have ever tasted. It is like, I don't know why they have created such a hype of these sweets in Bardhaman and these places. It's already what is it? 7:25. We need to. Hey, we have reached home like a little bit ago. Couldn't record the last part because of phones ran out of charge. We reached home. Overall, we traveled for almost 340 kilometers with our bike is denoting. Starting from 4:30 a.m. in the morning and ending in 11:30 p.m. It's been a long day. Obviously, we are tired. So hereby I am ending this vlog. Peace.